Hello, friends. Thanks for joining us again on English Talk Binny. This is Binny.
And this is Jake. We're thrilled to see you back.
In this session, we're focusing on beginner-level English, specifically A1. The topic is one that touches everyone, occupations.
Absolutely. We'll cover ways to discuss your profession, your everyday tasks, and your aspirations ahead.
Spot on. Chatting about your work comes up all the time in casual English chats. You'll need it in professional settings, social gatherings, or introductions.
True enough. Let's dive into expressing your role in a straightforward, everyday manner.
First off, if our content helps, hit that subscribe button, pass it along to buddies, and show some love with a like. It boosts us to produce more for you all.
Indeed, your support is invaluable. Each interaction counts. Okay, Jake, time to jump in. Suppose someone inquires, "What's your line of work?" What's your reply?
Nice one, Jake. The simplest is stating your position, like I'm an instructor.
Correct. You might add, "I serve as a graphic artist," or "I'm a caregiver."
Spot on. So, Binny, tell us about yours. I'm the host for English Talk Binny, plus I create materials. It's exciting and imaginative work.
Sounds fantastic. I appreciate how you keep English lessons approachable and enjoyable.
Appreciate it, Jake. And you?
I'm a language coach. I assist learners globally in boosting their conversation abilities daily.
Impressive. Occasionally, folks ask about your workplace. Say, I'm with a tech firm, or I'm based in a clinic.
Yup, if you're independent, try "I'm freelance." That implies you run your own show.
Kind of like you at times, huh, Jake?
Yup, I'm freelance as well. I value the independence it offers.
Awesome. Now on to duties. How to share your routine activities. Something like I handle customer relations or I support clients daily. It outlines your role's key elements.
Right. For myself, I organize topics, film segments, and engage with viewers.
Solid illustration. Here's a handy expression, I'm in charge of, such as I'm in charge of developing the curriculum.
Great tip. Or, my primary duty is to keep lessons engaging.
And Vinny, you excel at that.
Thanks, Jake. I put in the effort. Another option, a usual workday involves, it aids in outlining your schedule smoothly.
For sure. Like a usual workday involves leading several sessions and reviewing assignments.
Straightforward and easy. Key points when discussing your role, title, employer, and core duties.
Precisely. Keeps it real and smooth. Next up, your workday flow.
Yep, others often curious about your standard schedule from start to finish.
Begin with hours. Say I begin at 8 a.m. and wrap up at 4 p.m.
Solid framework. Then detail key activities throughout.
For instance, mornings, I review messages and briefly meet with the group.
Common routine. Proceed with, I tackle core work till break time. Post-lunch, perhaps more discussions, and end by 4 p.m.
Excellent. Paints a vivid workday image. Include pauses or chats with peers. It adds authenticity.
Sure, like, I grab meals with teammates, or I pause for tea mid-afternoon.
Nice touch. A full response is, mornings start with emails, then projects till noon, after some talks, and done by 4.
Clear and thorough. Jake, your schedule. Typically mornings for prep, then sessions with pupils. Lunch break, followed by additional teaching or idea swaps with peers. End around 3 p.m.
Productive setup.
It is. The variety in each session keeps it fresh.
Listeners, for routines, note start and end, main activities, and breaks.
Helps clarify your day.
On to the setting where you work.
Indeed, location matters. Office, residence, or outside.
Many now do remote from home, like us occasionally.
Or, I'm in a central office. Or, it's mixed. Home some days, office others.
Some roles are external, like builders, landscapers, or guides.
Yep, I operate outside. Fresh breeze is a plus.
Sounds refreshing.
It does. Atmosphere, too. Strict or laid back.
Formal means suits and rules.
Relaxed allows casual wear.
Mine's casual, comfortable attire and room for ideas.
Me too. Great vibe.
Colleagues, supportive, collaborative.
Mine are welcoming. We collaborate often.
Teamwork elevates any role.
Agreed. Or small crew, family-like.
Charming, Jake.
Thanks, Benny. Vocabulary for settings. Open plan, large shared space without dividers.
Modern spots favor it for easy interaction.
Deadline, completion cutoff.
Like deadline this Thursday can pressure but motivates.
Boss, team leader.
Colleague, workmate.
Client, service buyer.
Team, project group.
Like ours on this channel.
Yep. Flexible schedule. Pick your hours if tasks done.
Big perk for balancing life.
When describing, cover location, team, and timing for a rounded view. Now, satisfaction in your role. Jake, enjoy yours?
Definitely, Benny. Rewarding to guide learners to confidence.
Same here. Mine's inventive. Connecting worldwide is thrilling.
Nice. Say, I enjoy it for the excitement, or love the demands. Some aspects less fun. I adore filming, but editing drags.
Relate. Teaching thrills, but marking fatigues.
Jobs have ups and downs.
Yep. Stressful at times, but great crew. Balanced view.
Good. For changes, seeking fresh chances means new position.
Or want nearer to residence, or higher salary.
Honest goals. Sharing work tales builds understanding.
Sure, past roles too.
Yep, use I once was, like once in a small firm, now global. Shows evolution.
Or part-time cafe gig during studies.
When sharing, note lessons learned.
Previous role taught leadership or gained service insights.
Builds your profile like a career narrative.
For me, past sales taught people skills.
Valuable anywhere. So, past where and what gained.
Makes it engaging.
Future plans next. Exciting.
Career aims. Vinny, your vision?
Grow the channel. Full-time inspiration.
Inspiring. Use I'd aim to or plan to, like become specialist or hone speaking.
Or learn marketing. Or build abilities.
Shows ambition. Employers value it.
Think ahead. Ideal role. Next skills.
Dream high, advance gradually.
Wise. Now inquiring others.
Practical for talks.
Basic is what's your occupation?
Then enjoy it, keeps flow warm.
Duration there? Or best aspect?
Encourage sharing.
Your day like. Good opener.
Connects easily in English.
Wrapped lots. Roles, schedules, history, and ambitions.
These tips build confident chats.
Rehearse. Describe your role or ideal one.
Repetition eases it. Lastly, subscribe to English Talk Benny, share, comment your job or dream.
Eager to read? Thanks for tuning in.
See you soon.
Take care.
Farewell.